Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make TikTok private. So open TikTok and go to your profile. Next, tap the three lines at the top right. Next, select settings and privacy. Next, scroll down and go to visibility. Then tap on private account. Now from here, turn on private account, toggle it on, just like so. Now, what happens when your account is private? So, only people you approve can follow you. Only followers can see your videos, likes, and follower list. And existing followers stay unless you remove them. And that's based. So, again, click your profile at the bottom right corner, then go to the three lines at the top right, then go to settings and privacy, then scroll down to visibility and go to private account. Then just turn on private account, just like what you're seeing in the screen. And that's basic helpful. Thanks for watching.